Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got an entertainment gist for you, and this time around is Nollywood actress Laide bakare. She's in the news for the good reason. And women, please, let's celebrate our women when they are doing good. It's a good thing. And what is this news about her? Just some like a few weeks ago, she completed her house, not a mansion. Forgive me for that, a mansion. And now congratulations are becoming in for her from right, from left, from front, even from the back. Everybody were just greeting her and saying congratulations, 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 because she just got a new brand SUV car. Not just it's two brand new SUV cars. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, Laide bakare. Go girl. We wish you many more to come your way, inshallah. And you need to see how imams were there to felicitate with her, congratulate her, and bless the new car. They never tear rubber. Hi, God. When is my own going to come? Oh, don't worry, yours is coming soon, okay? And I still have another reaction. Now, another twist to the story is that is going on the social media platform right now, on Instagram per se. It's about Eniola Badmus. When Laide bakare posted the picture of her car, in trying to let people know what has happened, what is really going on in her life, to tell people the development of her success. And Eniola Badmus, just posted, commented on the post, and she said, "Beleo iyalani Lord." Hey, come and see reaction. Then Eniola, Eniola just wrote that just to greet her that "Beleo iyalani Lord," and Laide responded and say, "Yes, so na me be that o, president awon be fast." Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, president àwọn BFAS. Na you dey speak their mind. When Laide bakare posted the picture of her car, in trying to let people know what has happened, what is really going on in her life, to tell people the development of her success, and Eniola Badmus, just posted, commented on the post, and she said, "Beleo iyalani Lord." Hey, come and see reaction. Then Eniola, Eniola just wrote that just to greet her that "Beleo iyalani Lord," and Laide responded and say, "Yes, so na me be that o, president awon BFAS." Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, president àwọn BFAS. Na you dey speak their mind. This is purely God's doing, and is the beginning of unending Allah's mercy on me. Shebi una dey beef me, abi? Una dey beef me, na success upon success be una answer. Me no get time for haters, abeg. Me too, I no get time for haters, abeg. But Eniola responded to that reply that Laide bakare wrote. Eniola too responded to the allegation and said, "But say na so we dey take play na so we dey play. May I not have anything against you. Even say I get mad love for you from our uni days. Laide, stop playing." Na so we see am o, people. Abi, what's your reaction? What's your take on this? Is the joke too expensive? That Beleo iyalani Lord, is that too expensive? Is that, you don't think it's a joke? Don't you think that is too expensive? Anyway, my thoughts though, I'm just saying my own mind. I don't know what you guys think, but Laide Bakare has taken it too far. It just busted. It's as if she has grudges with the Yoruba old sisters. I don't know. I don't know what is going on in their midst. I don't know what is going on around them. But congratulations to you, Laide Bakare, on your two brand new SUV car. Ha! Wow. Àwọn eléyìí tuale. I say congratulations to you, many more to come. And to all your well wishers, your fans all over the world, and myself too. I wish to ride a cow. It's a good thing and own a house. It's good.